Hi, I'm Hawaiian Dan with SeaEagle.com and welcome to the SeaEagle SUP Paddle instructions. The SeaEagle SUP Paddle comes in three pieces: a T-handle, shaft, and blade section. Insert the blade into the shaft, aligning the holes with a push button until it locks into place. Then insert the T-handle into the opposite end, adjust it to your preferred height, and secure it by turning the locking collar clockwise. A common practice is to extend one arm above your head and roll your hand forward over the handle. Adjusting the paddle to this height is a good starting point. However, once on the water, you can make further adjustments to suit your personal preference. The kickback of the blade is designed to face forward throughout your paddle strokes. The ergonomic grip is designed to contour to the shape of your hand and fingers. Now, if you find this video helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the link in the lower left-hand corner. Hit the thumbs up button and remember to share it with your family and friends. Post your question and comments in the section below, and until next time, I'm Hawaiian Dan from SeaEagle.com, and I'll see you out on the water. Aloha.